to transfer investments from one brokerage account to another, such as Robinhood. Several steps must be followed. First, an account with Robinhood must be opened and verified, ensuring the account type matches the original account for a smooth transfer. Next, required information, including the account number and details about the assets to be transferred, must be gathered. The type of transfer must then be decided upon. A partial transfer, which involves moving only some assets, or a full transfer, which involves moving all assets and closing the original account. The transfer can be initiated by contacting the new brokerage firm, which handles transfers through an automatic customer account transfer service. To do this, the brokerage app must be opened, and the account tab selected, followed by the transfer option and then the transfer brokerage account option. The original brokerage firm must then be selected, and the account details entered, specifying whether it is a partial or full transfer. It is also important to consider the transfer fee, which may be deducted from the account balance. Once these steps have been completed, the transfer must be waited for, which typically takes 5 to 7 business days. During this time, investments in the original account will be frozen and cannot be traded. After the transfer is complete, the new account must be verified to ensure all funds and investments have been successfully transferred. This process involves checking the account to confirm that all assets have been moved. Following these steps will allow for a successful transfer of investments from one brokerage account to another.